In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over kind of a collapsible garden hose. This is a 100-foot hose. It's kink-free, it's abrasion resistant, durable metal fittings for reliable connections. And by the way, it's from the company Villabrine. I think's how you would say that, Villabrine garden hose. And check it out. I think there's actually a fitting in here. I haven't even opened this thing up and looked at it yet. So let's break off this seal. Let's see. Oh, well, look, they just stuck the instructions right there. Let's see what the instructions say. They wrote me a letter. Important information before use, ensure rubber washers, expandable garden hose, multifunctional nozzle. They do have a nozzle. And you know what? Let's just open it up. There's the nozzle. Oh, it's actually a pretty good quality nozzle. Look at that. You get 3 extra rubber washers. Look at this thing. This is actually a pretty cool looking hose. This is a 100-foot. I don't know if you've seen a normal 100-foot hose, but a normal 100-foot hose out of like a rubber garden hose is massive. That thing would be like the size of a truck tire. Fittings look like they're maybe brass. That's a very nice looking fitting. That one has a washer in it. That one does not, because this will go on here. That has a washer in it. So you get 3 washers. So let me go ahead and screw this on. That's a decent quality. We'll test it out. Let me go ahead and stretch this thing out, because it is one of these collapsible water hoses that has a coating around it. So that way it can't be poked a hole in. It does not kink, but it looks like you could tie it up in a knot. So let's pull it out and see what it looks like. I just unscrewed my hose there. This does have the washer. I just verified the washer's in there. It has a little rubber fitting right here to kind of minimize the kinkage on that. So tightening this down nicely. Let's see what happens when we turn it on. And this, I have a lot of pressure. It actually feels, whoa, that gets super tight in there. It is not leaking. Good connection there. That's nice. You can see how it has that coating on it. Let me go up here and I've got it stretched out. And by the way, it's a 100-foot hose, so it's a long hose. Let's go over here and let's use the nozzle. All right, everybody, I just plugged it all in and you could see what it looks like. See how far? This thing is so big. I'm so shocked. So far, it's got no leakage. And what I'm gonna be using it for, so I have my little like raised garden here, and this is my standing garden bed. And I highly recommend this standing garden bed. I'll actually leave a link to this thing because it's awesome. And then let me show you how this works. So I have it on a shower. That's a little hard for them, but you know what? I'll back up. This is on the shower. So I just planted a lot in my raised bed here. I'm going to show y'all how this thing works. There's that. And let's go the mist. A little fast for the misty stuff, but you know what? It does work. Jet works really well on this. And by the way, you can open this up all the way, and that way I don't have to squeeze it. Or check this out, everybody. I can tighten it up so that way it doesn't do full. So let's do center. There's the center. Full. Invert. Invert's good for washing water, washing your gutters out. Flat. I like this flat because I can really put down this is good for washing a car too. Cone. There we go. Oh, the cone works great. That's great for my little standing garden right there. Soaker. Pretty impressive. And it, like I said, it's got a bendable area right here, so it doesn't like kink the hose. And supposedly this is non-kinking. So I want to look at that. See how it rolls up like that? I guess you could tie it in a knot. And it has this abrasion material on it that feels like, it's like a type of polyester coating. This will be great for, I think, anyone with an RV or needs a small hose to like mount up something and lay it down on the ground, and like where it does get ran over or something, it doesn't destroy it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 100-foot coated garden hose. See y'all in the next video.